Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of seeing a Snap video less frequently in Snapchat. If there's a Snap video that you're not interested in, or you find it appearing too often, this full guide will show you how to adjust your preferences. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow icon with a white ghost and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, tap on Spotlight, located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to the Spotlight section where you can discover and watch a variety of Snap videos. Step 3. Find the Snap video that you want to see less frequently. Tap and hold on the Snap to bring up the options related to the video. Step 4. Among the options, you'll see I don't like. Tap on it to indicate that you're not interested in seeing that particular Snap video as often. Step 5. A menu will appear where you can select the reason for seeing the Snap video less frequently. Choose the most relevant reason that matches your preference. Adjusting your preferences for Snap videos allows you to curate your Snapchat experience and see more of the content you enjoy. If there are certain Snap videos that you find uninteresting or want to reduce their frequency, you now know how to do it. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.